Hi friends, thanks for joining me. It's Morag here and I am thrilled to be working with the February 2024 kits. And as you can see, they are jammed packed to the rafters with exclusive products to Hip Kit Club. And I really love the beautiful DIY flowers that you can make using the main kit this month. And I have it in my mind to kind of make a little aperture for the flowers to poke out. So kind of make a big fancy corner and make an aperture in the middle of that corner to host my flowers. So inside the DIY flower kit, you'll get lots of different shapes and colours flowers of different sizes. But when you look at them, they just look like a bunch of spirals. So it may not be completely obvious when you first open the package. And you might think, oh, what are those? But they are very easy to make and they make beautiful flowers, as you can see. So I'm going to make one here, and what I like to do first is use a bone folder or a scoring tool just to kind of break down the fibres of the die cut. Because they're made of card, if you try and just roll them straight away, you might end up with some creases. So I start rolling from the outside towards the inside, first of all with a nice round pencil. Then I swapped to a smaller paintbrush. The skewer was too tiny for me, and then I've just hand rolled it, as you can see. So you keep rolling till you get to that little centrepiece, and then you'll just need some glue to hold it all into place. Now my glue does take a few minutes to go off. So you are best to put something, like a book or something on top. Because actually mine didn't stick down and end up sticking down again later. So for my corner piece then, I cut out a triangle, cut down the centre, and then I've also stitched around the outside edge before rolling that reveal that I created in the middle. And I'm going to use some of the beautiful stamps that came with the colour kit this month, and because I'm not a very good stamper, I'm going to use my stamp positioner just to help me get that into place. Also in the colour kit this month are some ink pads, and as you can see they've stamped out perfectly. And I'm going to add some colour to the background just to go below where my photos will be. Now, I'm a huge fan of the colour kit, and I've collected over the years a number of shimmers that came in the colour kit. And I'll leave the details below of the colour that I've used here. I think it's called Berry Hot. And I'm going to use the packaging technique just to lay down a bit of colour. And as you can see, I'm just going to put somewhere the flowers will go as well. Now, I've done such a superb job of laying colour onto the background. Absolutely love how it turned out. It was one of my better ones, and then I'll go and cover it all up. Oh, I just never learned my lesson. But I did have fun making the background, even if you can't see much of it afterwards. For me, the way I like to add colour to the background, even though you can't see it, is to dilute the shimmer's paint or the ink if you're using ink. And have it quite loose, I think. So dilute it with water, and then lay the colour onto the background. And then if you let it go dry and then overlay it again, you'll get those nice kind of coloured layers that probably we're all after. And I was really pleased how it turned out, to be honest. So I'm gutted that I've covered it all up. So I'm just using some Snapchat photos of Julie and myself, and I love the way Snapchat makes you look so good. But I'm going to have them in the middle and then have some embellishments going down the centre. So that background is now dry, so I should be able to stick down. And I'd added a little bit of Oaky Bear blue on the top of that you can see. And say it's a really pretty background that I'm going to cover up. Onto the flowers then. So my flowers are dry and waiting to be stuck down. Here's the one that I made earlier in the video. That just needs sticking down again. And I'm going to tuck in some of those lovely leaves that came also in the set. And the curly bits from my background there haven't stuck down, so I'm just going to stick those into place. I have little patience, so I should let glue dry naturally, but I can never wait. So this is a fantastic way of just having focal point for those flowers, something to anchor them to your page. And just while I'm waiting for those to dry, I'm just going to assemble my photos. So as you can see, I am going to cover up most of that mixed media, kind of annoyingly. But I'm going to decorate anyway with the bits and pieces from the main kit and embellishment kit this time. So as I'm going to cover most of it up, I'm just going to add a little bit more of the ink so it flows down the page a bit more. And again, it's easy just to fix. Do you like to add mixed media to your pages, or do you find it a little bit daunting? I know a lot of people do, but that's what I like about inks and shimmers rather than acrylic paints, for example, because I find they're very forgiving and very easy to use and layer. So I'm just going to stick down those fantastic frames. And I think those came in the embellishment kit this month, as did these die cuts. Or they're chipboard stickers, actual chipboards. There are so many in each pack, they're astounding. You know, we get such large packs of goodies. They are really great value for money. So while I continue embellishing, let me just tell you about the kits. So if you're new around here, then welcome. And each month there is a brand new main kit, which is aimed at scrapbookers and includes papers, embellishments, and so many goodies. And if you take the main kit, you'll get 15% discount on any add-on kits for that month. So for example, you could get the embellishment kit or the colour kit. There is also a pocket life kit if that is more your bag. And again, you can get discount on the add-on kits. And also in the shop each month, there are additional items that you might want to buy, such as alphas, dies, stamps, and the range just seems to be growing and growing. And the beauty is all of these items are exclusive to Hip Kit Club. So you'll just enjoy something so exclusive, only the Hip Kit Club members will have them, which is what I really love. So in the main kit this month are these puffy alphas, for example. Absolutely superb alphas, really good quality. These have a little line detail inside, and of course they go perfectly with the kits because everything coordinates precisely, which makes scrapbooking a doddle. And I absolutely love these glitter hearts, one of my favourite things. So that about winds everything up. I'm going to leave you with the final layout and the close-ups, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this process. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any new videos from our amazing team. and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.